Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are printing dollar as usual, right? Yeah, so it's been a while now. I haven't made a YouTube video for you, but it's because I've been going through tough time. Despite you people, I hope you are printing money. I don't, because for the past 2 weeks I've been going through a losing streak and I lost so much money that I almost gave up on trading. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not giving up on trading, but in today's video I'm going to explain exactly what happened to me. I went through a losing streak and I'm gonna explain to you exactly how you can avoid that from happening to you as well. So let's get into today's content. So basically, I think about 2 weeks ago I moved into my new villa, right? For the very first time, AstuceFX now moving into a luxury home. I'm really happy. Seems like really, big upgrade for me. I'm very excited for what I paid for. So yes, I'm really happy. But since I moved into a new house, obviously my bill is gonna go higher, like electricity, water, and yes, a lot of things. So I need to make way more money from trading. But what happened is I went through a losing streak. So as I'm making this video, I lost 2 of my FundingPips account. 100k, I lost them. So 200k in funding. So as I'm making this video, I'm only having one account. 100k account from FundingPips. So that's the only account I have right now. If I'm to lose the account, that means I'm no longer funded. You get it? So yes, I really went through tough times. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys through my dashboard so you guys can see that all I'm saying here is true. And secondly, I'm gonna tell you guys some advice that you can make sure that wouldn't happen to you as well. So let's get into it. So basically, I'm on my FundingPips dashboard right here. As you can see, I have 3 accounts here. I have one account which I have secured a payout of $2,000, and then I have 2 others account here which I lost both of them. So you can see that I lost an account here, I lost an account here. So what happened is I went through a losing streak. There is just nothing that you can say about. I just went through a losing streak, that's it. Okay, it's not like bad luck or anything like that. I just took trade and a stop loss. I took a trade and it's a stop loss. So if I do click on this account, I lost 10% right here. This account, I think I made about $10,000 to $13,000 or even $15,000 in payout from this account. So yes, I made enough money from this account and I got the challenge fee refunded as well. So I mean, even losing it doesn't really affect me that much. I mean, it affects me because I can't make money from that account anymore, but yes, it was a good deal. So if I scroll down here, you'll see that I went through 4 days losing streak. Tuesday I lost $1,000, Wednesday I lost about $3,000 or $2,700, and then Thursday I lost $1,800, and the last day on Friday I lost the whole $4,400. So yes, I really went through a losing streak and I lost everything. Yes, everything. So if I do come to this account here, this one, I'm supposed to lose 10% to lose the account, but I managed to lose over 3%, or I think 2% on a single position. So that's why this account is gone earlier. I lost 4,600 this day, and the following day I lost 4,900. So yes, that's what happened. I lost these 2 accounts right here. So what are some of the lessons you can learn from this? First is, you guys know that these 2 accounts here, I made a lot of, I made some percentage from it. If you see, this is June, I lost 10,000. But if I go to May, you can see that I made 6,000 in May, and if I go to April, I've made 4,000 in April, and if I go to March, then 3,500. So if you do 3,500 plus 4,000 plus 6,000, I made almost 15,000 from this account here. So despite me losing 10,000 and losing that account there, I've already made money from that account there. So that's the beauty of trading with prop firm, because if I was trading my personal account, these losses are going to be real. These losses are going to come from my own pocket. You get it? But here it's coming from the prop firm pocket because they've already refunded my challenge fee, so the account is not worth anything to me, right? So that's why trading prop firm is way smarter in this case here. So despite you going through a losing streak, you're obviously gonna lose fundings, but you're not gonna lose real capital, right? So if you see here, I have this one account here that I secured a $2,000 payout. Even this account, I went through a losing streak. Okay, you can see I lost $2,400 here, and the following day somehow I was able to catch I think a buy on EU, and they allowed me to recover the losses and make 2,000. So on this account here, I think my payout will be on 17th June. So I think in about 6 days or so. So I'm really excited for this one. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, as I'm saying, if you are actually getting fear of going through a losing streak, what I'm gonna tell you is, first, losing streak are going to happen, okay, regardless who you are. Even if you are the most profitable trader in the world, you're gonna go through a losing streak. I can go through a losing streak. Anyone can go through a losing streak. Even that most profitable trader you are following on social media, at some point they go through a losing streak. That happens. So how do you actually manage? That's really important. So what I do is, first of all, I went through a losing streak on my funded account here, so I lost the funded account. That happens. I could have avoided if I stopped trading those accounts for a while, yeah. But since I lost this account, you can see I lost them a while ago, but till now I still didn't buy new account. Why? Because I'm taking a break. You know, if I buy new account, probably I may have blown those account I bought as well. So when the market is not good, what you have to do is just take a break from the market, right? Take a break from the market and then come back probably in a week or in 3 days or maybe in 2 weeks, in a month, however. But for me here, I'm just waiting until my payout date, and after my payout date, then I'm probably gonna buy new account and start trading with that account that I got after the payout as well. So this is basically how I'm gonna be doing. So in case if you ever go through a losing streak, first just take a small break and come back. And when you're taking a break, don't just go and enjoy your life. Like, go and backtest, go and see the reason why you lost the account or you lost some money on the market, right? And as I'm saying, trading profit is way smarter. So if you guys want to get an account with FundingPips, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna get 20% off on your first account purchase, and hopefully you're not gonna go through a losing streak, right? So this is basically the way for me to manage losing streak, and just have in mind that it's always gonna happen at the point, right? So you can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. You just have to. And sometimes people ask me, like, do I reduce my risk when I go through a losing streak? No, I don't reduce my risk. Let me show you guys. You see this account made a profit of 2,000 here. I was risking about $1,000 per trade. So this one I risked 1,000, and then I think 1,200 or something, and I lost 2 trades this day. So I lost $2,400 here, right? So if the following day I reduce my risk, instead of risking 1,000, and I probably risk like, I don't know, $500, I wouldn't be able to recover these losses in a day. Like, it would take me way too long. So since I keep risking the same amount, the following day I risked the same amount and I was able to catch like a 4-hour trade, and that allowed me to recover the losses from the previous day and make some payoff from that account as well. Simple, right? So this is basically how you can manage losing streak. In case if you guys want to learn from me, feel free to go and check my website. I'm giving you guys everything for free, right? My mentorship, my signal group, my everything is on my website for free. I'm not gonna charge money for that since I'm going through a losing streak, right? But if you guys want to give me some money, sure, go and buy my course, you know. Anyway, so that'll be pretty much it for today's content. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you learned something valuable, feel free to share that with your friends as well. So see you guys on my next trading content.